Hey guys, it's me Adele, and um I have a bit of a cold right now. So just to tell you, I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. I just did in the toilet, but I didn't want you guys to see, that's why I wasn't recording by then. And yeah. Okay. And to all of you guys out there, I hope you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. But first, let me tell you the video plan. Okay, my dad's right here at my house right now. When I was doing the other videos, he wasn't here. As you can tell, I was just changing Isabel. Over here, I was changing her in my clothes. I just tie it up and stuff, and it actually fits. And what? I'm not kidding. So guys, I'm just changing into my pajamas. It's not right night routine like last time. And yeah. How dark is it? It's probably like 9 by now. I don't know. So you guys just face over there. So guys, I'll just show you a few of my gymnastics tricks I've been working on. Oopsie. Guys, I literally just fell. Let me show you. Let me try. I was doing it with the wall so it can be easier. Okay. Yeah. Camera can't really stay up if I leave it like that. I'll just fall back. We just stand the camera up. Quick shout out to you guys. I have a little bit of a cold right now, and I'm coughing a lot lately. And I just actually, yeah, I already told you that, but I haven't told you I have a cough a bit, and I'm a bit have a cold.
Mood? Making money.
Oh.
On Vinted, you can easily sell what you don't wear. Just take photos of your
And they're just gonna watch TV.
No selling 24 hours or I could lose my college degree.
We're here to help.
Starting with first grade. That's the rock squad.
It's a dodge ball. Everybody keep your hand on the wall.
Are you guys ready? We are ready!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, Daniel! Oh no, Maddie, go! Oh no, it's all up to me now. Okay, guys, here you go. My diploma! Oh yeah, sorry about that.
Don't worry, we'll be back. Come on, first graders.
But guess what? I'll be first grader when I graduate! I just passed first grade and now I have less than 24 hours to pass the limited remaining grades.
I bet you're wondering how this happened.
Hey, Mom!
I'm so glad you picked up. What's wrong? I got a call from your college that I need proof of your 1st through 12th grade diplomas in the next 24 hours or you're going to lose your college degree.
Well, just send them my diplomas.
Sorry, guys. It just zoomed in the camera.
What? So now my college degree is on the line. This is gonna be hard.
So
We have to do
close.
this again.
Because we're helping Rebecca.
Run out of time. Let's go. Come on.
Make sure that you are subscribed. If I graduate every grade in the next 24 hours, one of you in the Zam fam will get a brand new iPhone.
Welcome to second grade. We're going to learn about the
Wow,
human
wow, my
body. You'll answer a
pajamas.
series of questions, and if you get it
Okay,
wrong,
I'm just gonna have a Milo cube. Oh yes, the Milo cube. Well, these are Milo cubes.
correct to graduate.
This is gonna be easy. You say that now.
Sight, smell,
So
touch,
Milo,
sound. What
but it's backwards on the camera, so
Oh,
sorry.
tired. The last set must be sleep.
I'm Mitchell. Check out part 2. Bye.